With its small, compact design and impressive image quality, the Canon EOS M6 left users with a travel camera which was ideal for taking stunning imagery. Today, Canon have announced this, the next generation in those cameras, the EOS M6 MkII. With its improved image quality, low light performance, burst shooting, and that all-important 4K internal video recording. We've come here today to check it out and put it through its paces. At its core, we find the newly developed 32.5 megapixel APS-C size sensor, along with the Digigate processor, allowing the M6 to not only capture stunning images, but also react fast to your subjects. This is the same as the recently announced 90D, meaning you truly have a high-end camera in a tiny form factor, weighing in at just 408 grams. The dual pixel AF, when coupled with the Digigate processor, allows for very fast and accurate autofocus while shooting in both videos and stills. The M6 MkII is able to recognise objects that are moving or even have low contrast and lock onto your subjects and track them throughout your frames. With a similar design to its predecessor, the M6 MkII is comfortable and intuitive to use. With a slightly deeper grip, it feels like you have far better handling when moving around and chasing your subjects. A new dedicated switch on the rear allows you to change between manual and autofocus quickly and efficiently, so you can choose the precise point of focus in your shots. And with 5,481 focus positions, you have a lot of freedom to select from. Though being pushed as an ideal camera for travel photography, the M6 MkII has some high-speed shooting modes which will allow you to push your boundaries. You can react fast and capture quick moments by shooting up to 14 frames per second or up to 30 frames per second in raw burst mode, both with full autofocus performance. Raw burst mode will produce a sequence of 18 megapixel images with a 75% crop in the imaging area, so it's always best to bear that in mind when selecting your shooting preference. Internal video recording up to 4K at 25 or 30p is available uncropped, or you can step it down to Full HD to get creative at 120 frames per second for slow motion. Using the built-in 3.5 jack allows content creators to attach an external microphone for far superior audio capture. The ISO range of the M6 is 100 to 25,600, or expanded up to 51,200, allowing you to shoot handheld or at high shutter speeds in more challenging environments. The variable angle 3-inch touchscreen can tilt up to 180 degrees and down to 45 degrees, making it ideal for anyone wanting to put themselves in the frame or having to get down low to their subject's level. The screen is clear and bright, so you can see all that's in your frame while shooting, and the touchscreen felt responsive whilst playing back through the images and has a very intuitive setup. Onboard connectivity via Wi-Fi and Bluetooth mean you can always be connected to a smart device, whether you want to instantly share your content or take control via remote access. Canon have taken everything you loved about the EOS M6 and have updated it into this compact body. A quick startup time and rapid shooting speeds up to 14 frames per second at 32.5 megapixels, along with its small and compact build, not only make this a great travel camera, but you won't feel limited when wanting to push its limits in high action moments or when getting creative with the EOS 4K movie mode. For any more information, check out the link below or head into your local London camera exchange.